Hello friends, today I want to show you how to replace a color in Photoshop. Let's get started. Add a hue, saturation adjustment layer over the image layer you want to change its color. Select the hand icon and pick a color from the dress. Just click on the dress to pick a color. And now adjust the hue, saturation and lightness to get the best result. Make sure the setting covers all of the colors and does not affect the skin. It looks good now. Now you can change it to any color you want. You can change it to black. Or white. This is it. Please like the video and don't forget to click on subscribe button now. Thanks for watching.